Welcome. In this video I will show you where to find the manufacturing date on your ASUS ROG Xbox Li X device. You can easily spot the manufacturing date of your device on the bottom edge of it. If you take a closer look at the labels on the bottom edge of your device, let me focus the camera. So here we have the MFD, which stands for manufacturing date, and as you can see, my device was manufactured in September 2025. So that's basically how I did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.